Here we go. This is the original Humberston Academy tribute by Joseph. This is on 32 by 32 LED matrix. So our plan is today that we've acquired a 64 by 64 matrix. We're going to try and run the same thing on that and see what the resolution improvement does. We're also going to maybe add a diffuser. Here we go, we've got the Raspberry Pi 3B+. So go on, Joe. So we 3D printed this little case. How that works, it just sits on there. Joe will take the Joy bonnet,
which has been soldered accordingly for such a large display.
Yep, so we've soldered out, we've put a jumper on the E and number 8 pins. I did that for Joe. He's not quite too confident with his soldering skills just yet. So Joe's just sitting that down. So that's now connected to the Raspberry Pi 3. Here we go. So that's much nicer, much clearer. Yeah, excellent.
It took blood, sweat and tears, yo.
So there we go. So that's now on a 64 by 64 RGB matrix. So it is refreshing slightly faster. It does have a different refresh rate, but you get much more of the text in.
It's much easier to read. I wouldn't have been able to read the drawn on an RGB matrix by Joseph Hearn if it filled the screen.
Yeah, it's good that, Joe. I like that. So we can alter designs and do something a bit more intricate now. The hand looks better as well, Joe.
It does.
So here we go. You're getting a bit of flicker rate on it, but so Joseph's taking a picture of himself on his webcam, and then he's converted it, haven't you, Joe?
Yep, I think the flickering's because of the large amount of dark pixels, and I converted it to ppm because otherwise the code wouldn't be able to read it.
Yeah, but it's come out quite well. You can certainly recognise it's you, so the resolution's much better. Finish.